Hey there, champions. So today we are going to carry our lesson over, and still we are going to organize our numbers from least to greatest. But instead of only 2 numbers, today we are going to work with 4 numbers. So on my whiteboard, you can see I have 4 numbers. I have number 33, 21, 10, and 25. And we're going to use our rods and dots today as well to help us organize our numbers from least to greatest. So let's look at number 33. I have a 3 in my tens place, which means that I have 3 sets of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 1, 2, 3 rods and 1, 2, 3 dots. So I have number 33 represented with my rods and dots, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, let's go over to number 21. In my tens place, I have a 2, which means I have 2 sets of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 rods. And I have a 1 in my ones place. So I'm going to put a dot for my 1. Let's go to our number 10. I have a 1 in my tens place, so I'm just going to draw 1 rod. And I have a 0 in my ones place, so I don't need to draw any dots. I just have 1 rod for the number 10. In number 25, I have a 2 in my tens place, so I'm going to draw 2 rods. And I have a 5 in my ones place, so I'm going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, let's use our rods and dots to order our numbers from least to greatest. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and look at how many rods I have for each number. Well, for number 33, I have 3 rods. For number 21, I have 2. For number 10, I just have 1 rod. And for number 25, I have 2 rods. So looking at this, I know that number 10 has the least amount of rods, or the least number of groups of 10. So I know that my number 10 is going to go first. So I'm going to put 10 here. I'm going to put a little comma. Okay, I'm going to X out number 10 because I've already used it. That's helpful for me. All right, that is my least. That is my number that is the least in my group of numbers. So I need to look and see what number comes next. Well, let's look at number 33 again. I know I have 3 rods for number 33. Number 21 and 25 both have 2 rods, right? I have 2 sets of 10 for number 21 and 2 sets of 10 for 25. So I know that 21 or 25 is going to come next. Because they both have the same number of rods, I am going to go over to my ones place. Number 21 only has 1 dot, and number 25 has 5 dots. So I know that number 21 is less than 25. So I'm going to write 21 next. And I'm just going to go cross that out. Okay, now I have 33 and 25 left, so I need to figure out which one is smaller, right? Which one comes next from least to greatest? Well, we've already discussed that 33 has 3 rods and 25 has 2 rods, and 2 rods are less than 3 rods, right? So I'm going to go ahead and say that 25 is going to come next because it is less than 33. So I'm going to go ahead and put number 25 here. And I can mark that guy out because that's helpful for me to mark out what I've already used. And the only one I have left is 33. And so that is my greatest number, or my biggest number. So I'm going to put number 33 here. Okay. So just to recap, I had 4 numbers. I used my rods and dots to help me determine which number was the least and which number comes next. And then at the very end, we decided that 33 was the biggest number of all. 10 was the smallest number, 33 is the biggest number. Okay, have fun.